Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you how to properly set up your press-on nails. This is Mylka Beauty, as you know, your favorite press-on nail business. Subscribe if you like this video and don't forget to give it a like, comment down below. First we're gonna start by opening up the goodie bag that you receive on your package. You're gonna take everything out, including your cuticle pusher, your glue, and your nail file. Oops, trouble in paradise. But your nail file is here. It's a very important step. You're gonna take the wooden stick and start pushing back your cuticle. You're gonna push slow and precise to avoid hurting yourself. Repeat this motion with all fingers. Look at this. Very slow. You're gonna have to take your time with this process. Again, you don't want to push too back to the point that you hurt yourself. Like, you gotta be really careful with this. Your nails should look something like this, and now you're gonna file the nails because press-on nails does not like a smooth surface. You gotta make sure you file all angles on your nails evenly and repeat this process for the rest of the nail. After filing every nail, you're gonna grab the glue and open it up, and you're gonna grab your nail set. Now you gotta take every nail out and lay them in order to make it easier to identify which nail belongs to which finger. And take your time with it. Now we're gonna grab the nail of the pinky and file the inside of it. Apply a small amount of glue on the top of the tip. And you gotta make sure to apply the glue from the middle towards the end. This is where the fake nail will cover your natural nail, and you gotta be careful to place the press-on nail on top of your natural nail. Now you're gonna press down for 20 seconds to secure it in place. And just like that, we have one nail down. One more time, you see me apply the glue from the middle of the nail towards the back, doing circular motions, but you can do whatever motion you want. Just make sure you lay your nail straight, and the glue gives you 3 seconds leverage to correct in case you messed up. Oops. This is a clear example that you have to be really careful. Triple check how straight is your nail before applying the pressure onto it. Three nails on. Perfect. We're gonna continue this process for the rest of the nails. Here you see me speed through it, but like I said, take your time because at the beginning it is a little tricky. All done. Look how pretty this looks. It looks like I just went to the nail salon, and it literally just took me 5 minutes. Just like that, girlies. Just like this video, comment down below, and subscribe. Thank you.